And I will tell you, as a defense attorney, I think a lot of people are going to be surprised at my opinion on this one. I would say that that young man had tons of defenses if the case would have ever gone to trial or worked itself through the system. However, I do believe there is a straight-faced argument that there was probable cause to arrest him for a crime. And everyone's like, well, wait, how can that happen? How can you have probable cause to arrest someone for a crime while simultaneously he might be, quote unquote, not guilty? Or I'm not using the word innocent, not guilty.
Mm-hmm.
And what it really comes down to is probable cause is more likely than not you did a crime. Beyond a reasonable doubt is a higher standard. Okay. And if you watch those videos, have you watched the videos?
Yep.
You watch the videos. It's hard to say with a straight face that his erratic driving didn't play a part.
Wow. Okay.
It's hard to say that. And I say that because we live in a legal system, Brian Haldane, we live in a legal system where if I'm drunk and I get into a car accident and somebody dies, even if the car accident isn't my fault, I'm drunk driving, when a fatality happens, I can be charged with vehicular homicide.
Right.
And it happens. It happens throughout our state on a daily basis. I'm not saying he was drunk. I'm not saying he was high. I'm not saying there was anything in his system. But to say that his driving wasn't erratic, to say that the subsequent behavior didn't play a part in the calculus of the decision, like.
Okay. All right.
Now, he's also a kid.
Yes.
Making horribly stupid decisions.
Right.
And I think it is tragic what happened across the board. But I will say this. There is nothing I've seen, and I'm taking a hard line on this because, look, I got no dog in the hunt. Like, if you want to say someone's doing something wrong as a police officer and they're doing something wrong, you know me well enough to know I'll get on that train.
If you want to hear more about this story or any live stories, listen to Talk 107.3 on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.